Yeah, those tires are slipping.
Yep.
So I'm gonna need different tires depending on what I want to do.
Call it.
Call it.
When Mark said, go. How we
Hold
going?
on 1 second.
Tell
Ready?
them we got a race to go.
Set. I was gonna take a picture. You got it right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Go!
Oh! What the hell did I hit? That wasn't water. I hit something.
I was a rock. I'm in the. You know what I was? There's a huge plywood over there.
Yes, I'm gonna need another body.
Yo, we flew out. We did the Van Diesel on them. Huh? Oh, yo, let me stop it.